Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Here we come again for another day of 30 days of Christmas DIY ornaments. If you've been wondering what's on my apron, it's Jackie Burns Creations. I got it off Amazon and I got these great big pockets in it. It's awesome. I can't tie it behind my back yet though. My arm still doesn't work quite right from my shoulder surgery. So anyway, as we're getting to it, we're going to make a snowman and a snow girl. Okay, I'm taking a white sock and clipping off the bottom part. Polyester fiber fill. I think I got that at Walmart. It was only like $3 or something. It's not very expensive. Most of the time I use like old pillows and use the stuffing out of them, but I think I've used them all up for pillows. But a little bit of this goes a long way, and you can stuff it till it's full. Hold the top together and tie a string around it, twine, string, whatever you have, because when you get done you won't see it anyway. I'm tying it good and tight, putting quite a few knots in it. My friend told me to show you my apron because she said she couldn't figure out what it said. But Indiana Jones figured out what it said. Okay, about in the middle, maybe just a little bit up. We're going to tie another string. Me and my fumble thumbs. Okay, clip them off. Now you can pick out another sock or piece of fabric or whatever you want to make the hat. My friend also told me I needed to do something with red dots. That's her favorite. So here we've got a red dot sock. Okay, I cut the top part of the sock off, and where the band is, I'm turning it up. And I'll say, as looking at this video, I figured out I forgot to put pom-poms on top of the hats. Putting a little glue on different parts of the hat to keep it in place. I think everything came from Dollar Tree. And these, I guess they're some kind of flat bead. They've got a sticky on the other side, but I still need to put some hot glue on them to make sure they stay down. Okay, here I lift it just a little bit for the glue. Was looking to see if I had an orange marker, but I didn't. So I got orange jack-o'-lantern paint, apple barrel. And I'm painting the nose on. It actually painted on really well. Okay. Got this little box of ornaments from Amazon. And there's some cute little snowflakes in here. I'm gonna put a little snowflake on her hat. Looking to see if there was anything else in there. And this is the second one I made, showing you he's already done. And I remembered I forgot to put a scarf on her. So leaning to get the sock so I can cut out some material for a scarf. Tacking it down just a little bit. Just putting a little fringe on the bottom. And it's funny when I cut these, they curl up, but they look kind of cute. Okay, there she is all done. And as I tell you every day, I really appreciate your friendship and coming and subscribing to me. I would appreciate it if you could share. And hit that thumbs up. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye.